Choosing the right 4D laser level can be challenging. Weak beams, poor accuracy, limited battery life, and difficult setup often slow down your work. That's where modern 4D green beam laser levels stand out. They offer brighter visibility, full 360-degree coverage, and precise self-leveling performance for professional results. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best 4D laser levels. Powerful, accurate, and built for construction, tiling, and interior projects. We researched features and real user feedback to create this list. Check the description for updated prices and subscribe for more tool reviews. Number 5. LFINE 2/4D Professional Laser Level. The LFINE 2/4D Professional Laser Level offers 8 or 16 laser lines with full 360-degree horizontal and vertical coverage. Its bright green beam ensures excellent visibility indoors and outdoors. The self-leveling system provides accurate alignment within seconds, while the included remote control makes adjustments easy from a distance. Designed for wall alignment, ceiling installation, and floor tiling, this model delivers reliable precision. Durable construction and multiple mounting options make it a practical tool for both DIY users and professionals. Number 4. HILDA 3D/4D 12/16 Lines Green Beam Laser Level. The HILDA 3D/4D laser level features 12 or 16 bright green laser lines with full 360-degree projection for horizontal and vertical alignment. Its self-leveling function ensures quick and precise setup, reducing manual adjustments. Built for construction and interior projects, it provides clear visibility even in well-lit environments. The compact yet sturdy design improves portability, while multiple line modes allow flexible use for wall tiling, cabinetry, and ceiling work. A dependable choice for accurate layout tasks. Number 3. YEVOLT YEVGLL4X16 16-line 4D laser level. The YEVOLT YEVGLL4X16 delivers 16 green laser lines across 4 planes, ensuring complete 360-degree coverage. Powered by a high-capacity 3Ah or 5.2Ah battery, it offers extended working time for demanding projects. The self-leveling mechanism guarantees precise horizontal and vertical alignment, ideal for flooring, wall framing, and installation work. Its strong beam visibility and stable build enhance accuracy on job sites. With flexible mounting options and durable construction, this tool is built for professional-grade performance. Number 2. Decteam M04CG 16 lines 4D green laser level. The Decteam M04CG features 16 green cross lines with 4D full-plane coverage for maximum accuracy. Its advanced self-leveling system ensures fast and reliable alignment, making it ideal for floor tiling, wall layout, and ceiling projects. The included Li-ion battery provides long working hours, while the bright green beam improves visibility across larger spaces. Designed for durability and precision, this model offers stable performance for both professional contractors and serious DIY users. Number 1. Huepar P04CG 16 lines 4D laser level. The Huepar P04CG stands out as the most advanced option on this list. It projects 16 bright green lines with full 360-degree horizontal and vertical coverage for precise alignment in every direction. Equipped with Bluetooth connectivity and a remote control, adjustments are simple and convenient. The self-leveling system ensures fast setup, while the powerful Li-ion battery supports extended use. Built for professional-grade tasks like tiling, framing, and installations, this model delivers top-tier accuracy and smart functionality. If you need precision, visibility, and full 360-degree coverage, a 4D green laser level is the perfect solution.
These 5 models offer strong performance, self-leveling accuracy, and reliable battery life for construction and interior projects. Whether you're a DIY user or professional contractor, there's an ideal option here. Which one fits your needs? Comment below and subscribe for more tool reviews.